Good evening to Madam Ashikin and my dear group members. This is our LEX 2063 group discussion. My name is Dinesh Kumar and my metric number is B10865. The first gadget we choose for today's discussion is health bands. Let me tell you what is health bands. Health band is also known as fitness tracker. It is a device or application for monitoring and tracking fitness related metrics such as distance walked or run, calorie consumption and heartbeat. It is a type of wearable computer device. It's also waterproof device that also can detect swimming laps. The health bands can be connected by Bluetooth and mobile device that downloads the activity data. This device is mainly innovated to the sports and fitness activities. This automatic wearable device was used by athletes in 1981 after the manual computer systems were refurbished by the US President Council on Physical Fitness, and the early examples of this device was bicycle computers that monitored speed, duration, distance, and heart rate in 1981. Back in 2000, this device may include wireless heart rate monitoring. After the electronic sport trackers devices fundamentally upgraded, this was known as health band as well. Due to the technology development, features in this device was upgraded, such as touchscreen, notification alarm, calories burning, heart rate with timing, and also for sleeping therapy. The Apple company and Nike company together developed a smart band with include which a shoe sensor work with that device and can also detect the GPS as well. Now the health band is using by all the people in the world. This health band is especially using for medical users in all over the world for current time. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Kaita Devi Anapurva Rajasingam and my matrix number is B10864. What is Healthband? Okay, Healthband is a computer-based. In 2015, there were more than 100 models on the market. A major smartphone advantage is handling phone calls and messages without having an extract to the phone call from pocket or purse, although not every model supports this feature. Health bands often include exercise app for managing health. Examples, fitness tracker, and may have built-in pulse sensor for reading the wearer's heartbeat. There are many types of health bands, such as Samsung, Redmi, which is Xiaomi, and Apple. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tavamalar Balakrishnan and my matrix number is B10862. A fitness tracker is a device that uses sensor to track your rotation, movement, and rotation. The device collects data and converts it into steps, calories, sleep qualities, and general activity you perform through the day. We have some benefits such as, the first one is keep track your progress. That is, with a fitness tracker on, you want to keep up with the goals it projects. This is because regular reminder boosts your motivation levels. Second one is free without trainer and tips. It is difficult to plan a solid fitness routine and adhere to it regionally when you are a busy person. Third one, monitoring your health. Indulge in your self-care and track your fitness level. A fitness tracker let you watch and record your heart rate daily, burns calories and step counts. Number 4, helps you to stay motivated. Working out and maintain a fit body includes both good and bad weeks. You do to experience them as sleep and activity patterns vary across the day, weeks and months. A fitness tracker enables you to determine such as habits that are effectively maintainable so that you can achieve your long-term exercise goals. Number 5 is monitoring your breath. Some fitness brands help you to stay clean, healthy, and more focused at what you do. Every session of the breathing in and out allows your body to function effectively. Last but not least, personal fitness trackers ensure that you can focus on enjoying better health and getting in shape through tracking your daily activities. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Agalya Velasani, metric number B10868. Today, I would like to share some characteristics of health band, also known as smart band. Almost all the smart bands are able to reading type is digital and ideal for unisex. It means male and female can both can wear it, and most of the material used for is rubber and plastic, and also it's suitable for health and our lifestyle. Other than that, it's enabled to touch and water resistant, and the water resistant depth is almost 50 meters. And its function is to show display, time, date, and alarm clock, also call and text alert like a notification. And the dial shape is rectangle or circle. And when it comes to connectivity features, it's enabled with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with version 5.1, and activity tracking functions are alarms, blood pressure monitor, calories burned, and phone notification, and more. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vishani Segar, and my metric number is B10872. So today I would like to introduce about the features in our health bands. There is a 7 features. First one is monitoring heart rate, which is the heart rate monitoring feature is found in almost every fitness band these days. The second one is monitoring breathing. Some fitness bands help you stay calm, healthy, and more focused at what you do. The third one is tracking calories burnt. Depending on how hard you work out through the day, you get a measure of calories burnt. The other one is watching cardio fitness level. It calculates the amount of oxygen used by your body when you perform different activities. The other last one is sleep tracking. Sleep quality has direct effects on your mood and health. There are several fitness trackers such as the Misfit Ray monitors your sleep duration and the quality. So the last one is silent alarm. None of us like spoiling our sleep with the loud and noisy alarm tones. So there is a two different type of health bands, which are examples of fitness bands with the buzzing alarm feature. So that's all from us. And as a conclusion, like we said, getting a fitness band depends on your active lifestyle. Fitness bands are not only meant for tracking all day activities, but to also encourage and motivate you to stay fit. Most of these activities will definitely push you to stay active and keep you engaged and the entire day. The only thing you need is to start finding time from your busy schedule and start exercising. Thank you.